I'm going to show you how you can make huge commissions with this affiliate program, up to $100,000 or even more. And I'm also going to show you 2 free strategies at the end of the video to promote this affiliate program successfully. And you can get started promoting this affiliate program today. You don't have to wait for approval. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs out there. And we're going to be going over Flippa and the referral program / affiliate program. If you don't know what Flippa is, it's the biggest marketplace online to buy and sell online businesses, websites, apps, domains, and much more. And it pays 20% commission. The cookie length is 30 days and you can get paid out via PayPal, Stripe, or wire transfer. And this is their homepage right here. And it's the #1 platform to buy and sell digital services, Shopify stores, YouTube channels, Amazon FBA stores, you name it. They have it on Flippa. And this is the referral program page right here. Invite your network and get rewarded. And I'm just going to show you a quick commission breakdown of how it works. So if a business sells for $250,000, Flippa makes $17,500 and you make 20% commission on that, and you will get paid out $3,500. And the cool thing about the referral program is, as a referrer, you will receive 20% on the fees paid when your referrals acquire, list, or sell online businesses on Flippa within 12 months of their sign up with Flippa. So it's a great way to make money with this referral program. It's super easy to get started. That's one of the coolest things about it. All you need to do is sign up. It takes about 1 or 2 minutes to sign up. And then once you're in the dashboard, you just scroll down and you click referrals, and you'll have a referral link right here, and you can start sharing it. And another cool thing about the affiliate program or referral program is you can share individual pages. For example, this is town.com, which is a 4-letter.com domain. So it's selling for a lot of money. It's selling for $1,950,000. And you will see this button right here, share and earn up to $78,000. And all you need to do is click that, copy the link, and then when you share this link, they're gonna land on this landing page. And if someone buys this domain for that amount, you're gonna earn up to $78,000. If they buy it for less and the seller agrees, you're gonna earn a little bit less, but you're still gonna earn a huge commission. And just to give you some other examples of how much you can earn, for example, this is a website that is about the lifestyle business in the wedding industry. And they are making $55,000 a month profit, and they're selling for $3 million. And if you sell this company with your referral link, you will earn $31,200. This is an e-commerce store about health and beauty. It's selling for $13 million. It makes around $250,000 profit a month. And if you share and someone buys through your link, you're gonna earn $82,000. And this is a YouTube channel. You can also buy and sell YouTube channels, and it's selling for $338,000, and you can make $6,000. This is an AI app, and it's selling for $235,000, and you can make $2,800 as an affiliate. And here are 2 free strategies I think will work to promote this affiliate program, and there's many other strategies out there. One of them is doing tutorial videos about Flippa, how to sell your domain on Flippa 2024, and then adding your referral link in the description, or doing a video like this, buy a profitable website for $114, crazy Flippa profit, and then adding your Flippa referral link. Another way, if you don't want to do YouTube videos, is to write blogs. So for example, comparison blogs do very well. Empire Flippers versus Flippa Review, which is best for you, and then adding a Flippa referral link in the blog. And then another way is to do review blogs, Flippa Review, should you buy and sell websites with Flippa, and then adding your link in the blog. So that's 2 free strategies. And you can make so much money with this referral program. That's why it's one of the best referral programs out there, because it's not some small commission like $50. It can be $50,000, it can be $1,000, it can be $5,000, it can be $100,000, or even more than $100,000. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to find more referral and affiliate programs, make sure to check out affiliate.watch. It's for free. And you can also create an affiliate marketing profile on our website for free, and companies can see you and reach out to you. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.